Hi everyone. The topic I will talk about is gender bias by NLP system. Let me first introduce what is NLP. Natural language processing is a fascinating field of AI that enables computers to understand and generate human language. It powers technologies like chatbots, translation tools, and even creative writing assistants. But alongside its potential, NLP models will have challenges nowadays, like bias training misinterpretation. For bias training, it often reflects and amplifies bias present in their training data, especially gender bias. In general, there are 5 types of bias, and the gender bias I want to talk about typically falls under the umbrella of selection bias and representation bias. Here is an example from Gemini 1.5 model. We can see outputs show doctors associate with men and nurses with women, highlighting gender bias. For background, they provide state-of-the-art models for tasks like reference resolution, language modeling, and machine translation. However, since these models are trained on human language text, a natural question is whether they exhibit bias based on gender or other characteristics, and if so, how should this bias be mitigated? And then, researchers highlight coreference resolution and language modeling bias, where systems link doctor with he or translate neutral pronouns into gendered ones, reinforcing stereotypes and societal bias. Therefore, to tackle gender bias, one effective approach is counterfactual data augmentation, or CDA. This involves creating balanced datasets by swapping gender-specific terms, like he and she, and retraining models on these augmented datasets. The results are promising. Models trained with CDA show reduced bias while maintaining their overall performance. For example, after applying CDA, a model predicting he for doctor may instead predict he or she, depending on the context. In conclusion, gender bias in NLP is critical, but CDA offers hope. Addressing bias makes AI more fair and inclusive, a shared responsibility for developers, researchers, and users. Thank you for listening.